Welcome to this tutorial on how to create contacts in Odoo. Managing contacts efficiently is essential for any business, whether you're keeping track of customers, suppliers, or internal team members. Odoo's contact app makes it easier to organize and manage all your contacts in one place, ensuring that you always have the information you need at your fingertips. So to access the contact app, we'll come to this icon here and click on the menu icon and go to contacts. When you click on contacts, it brings you to this environment. These are all the contacts that are already stored in the Odoo system. To create a new contact, click on the create button and it brings you to this place. So you can put in the name of the company since it's set on company, and if it's an individual, you can put in the name of the individual here. When you put in the name of the individual, you put in the address of this individual here, and you can put in the name of the job position of this individual, the phone number, mobile number, email, website, and whatever this person has. And when you are done creating, you click on save manually here. You can also come here to add contact. This is another way of adding contact or address. When you click on add here, it will bring in the contact, this dialog box where you can put in contact name, address, or any other information you have, and then you click on save and close. But if you want to keep on adding more contacts, you can click on save and new. So when you click on save and new, it will bring this dialog box again where you can use to fill in the name of the next contacts you want to put into the system. So when you are done with that, you click on save manually. If it's a company that you want to save their contact, set it to company, and then you can also come here and click on add, and it will still bring out the dialog box so you can fill in information about this contact. Then if you're done creating the contact and maybe you want to send message to any of your team members, you can click on the send message. When you click on send message, it will bring a box for you that you can use to type in messages that you want to send to your team members, or you click on log notes. Then you click on save. After every activity you're doing here, make sure you're clicking on save so that every information can be saved into the system. So that is how you create contacts in the system.